parliamentary dictation with speed of 60 words per minute taken from previous grade D SSC examination. Please like, share and subscribe. Ready. Honorable Speaker, Sir, when this government was elected for the first term, we promised to take Delhi a global city. It is a matter of privilege for me to announce that we have succeeded to a great extent in this direction. Delhi is known for its development in the last decade. Delhi is known as the green capital of the world. It has developed a world-class metro. Delhi has emerged as an educational and cultural hub. It is famous for health, tourism, beautiful roads and flyovers, and public transport. From this year, it will also be known as a city of sports and sports infrastructure. A study by a reputed organization reveals that amongst 37 cities across India, Delhi has emerged as the best Indian city in terms of quality of life and living standards. As a result of our efforts, Delhi tops the list based on education and economic environment, ahead of Mumbai and Bengaluru in the country. Sir, Delhi government took timely action through intervention for controlling the retail prices of essential commodities. As a result, the retail prices of food items increased in Delhi. At the national level, in Delhi, the rate of inflation on the consumer price index for industrial workers was the lowest as compared to other metropolitan cities. And at the national level, Mr. Speaker, Sir, the local bodies in states are taking grants from the center as per the recommendations of Finance Commission. This financial grant is not being made available to the local bodies in Delhi by the Finance Commission. We have set up 4th Delhi Finance Commission for recommending devolution of funds for the period of next 5 years. Sir, with a comprehensive approach to city development planning, we have initiated a number of reformative measures both in project and program formulation as well as their implementation. Monitoring and evaluation, taking into account the funds for completion of ongoing project. I propose to enhance the plan outlay for the current year, sir, in order to give effect to the revised estimates. Supplementary demands for grants will be required. I therefore seek the approval of this House for the supplementary demands for grants, sir, to improve the quality of public transport. We have decided to introduce low floor buses and air conditioned buses. More buses are also being added. We are confident that with this public transport will improve to meet the requirement of the city growing population. Stop.